welcome back to my new brand video. In this video I'm gonna to be show how to fix Instagram white screen issue in iPhone and Android. So if you are new in my video, first of all you subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for my new video notification, and also like, share and comment in my video. So we continue our video without wasting our time. First of all, you open your Instagram app and check that white screen issue is solved or not. Here you will see that my screen is fully whited and nothing here is showing. My profile is fully whited, so simply go your home screen and open your Play Store and check that. Here you will search Instagram and check that he will ask the update option required or not. When your update option is required, so first of all you update your Instagram, and after that you go back your home screen and open the setting option. When you open your setting option, the scroll down and search a apps manager or simply apps and open the apps. When you open the apps, in the search bar option you type here Instagram. The second option is Instagram. Open the Instagram. And the third option is storage. Click it, and the option is clear cache and clear data. So simply first of all you clear the cache, and after that you clear data. Again same process, simply go back and again search in Google Play Store. The fourth option is Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store, and third option is storage. Again clear cache and clear data. First you clear the cache and again clear data. Same process in the third time. Simply you go back and again search Google services. Third option is Google Play services. Open and again storage and again clear cache, but here you know no show the clear data. So when you clear the cache, you simply go back your home screen and open Chrome in your mobile. When you open Chrome in your mobile, in the search bar open the Chrome and search Instagram login. Login Instagram. When you log in your Instagram, he will ask the username and password or phone number or email. You simply type here username and password. When you type here username and password, login option, you log account. You see my account is open. And check here, all things are showing and my profile and white screen issue is solved. Open your profile. Open your profile. If you change your password, so simply open the profile setting option. This setting option, open it, and the first option is change password. The first option is old password. You simply type here old password. And new password. And confirm password. menu, old password, new password and confirm password, and the fourth option is change password. So simply click on the change password. When you click in this change password, your problem will solve. I hopefully your problem will solve. You simply go back your home screen and open your Instagram and check here your problem. I hopefully your problem is solved. If your problem is not solved, the second option is you uninstall your Instagram, and again you install and update your Instagram. I hope for your problem will solve. If my video is informative for you, first of all you subscribe my YouTube channel and also like comment in my video.